In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Epic Games. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, you want to open your web browser and head over to epicgames.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to log into your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can connect to GitHub. Once you are logged in, the next step is to access your account settings. You can do this easily by hovering your mouse over your account name, which is also located in the top right corner. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account. This will bring you to your account management page. Now that you're in your account settings, you're going to want to navigate to the Connections section. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several options. Click on Apps and Accounts. This section is where you can manage connections to other services, including GitHub. After you're in the Apps and Accounts section, look for GitHub in the list of available accounts. You might need to scroll down a little, but it shouldn't be too far down. Once you find GitHub, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that button. Now a window will pop up, and it's important to read through the terms and conditions that appear. These terms outline how your GitHub account will interact with Epic Games. If everything looks good to you, agree to the service terms and then click the Connect Account button. At this point, a new pop-up will appear. Make sure that your browser settings allow pop-ups for the Epic Games website, otherwise you might miss this important step. In this pop-up, you'll be directed to GitHub's login page. If you aren't already logged into GitHub, enter your username and password to sign in. Once signed in, you will see a confirmation screen asking you to authorize the connection between GitHub and Epic Games. Make sure to review any permissions that Epic Games will have access to on your GitHub account. If you're comfortable with the level of access being requested, go ahead and click on Authorize. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your GitHub account to Epic Games. This connection opens up a world of possibilities, especially if you are a developer working on projects using Epic Games' tools, such as Unreal Engine. It allows for easier collaboration and version control, so you can truly take your game development efforts to the next level. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching,